Clean smarter, sleek, premium design complements your home decor. The Roomba 694 is a great way to begin cleaning your home smarter. Just schedule it to clean up daily dirt, dust, and debris with the iRobot Home app or your voice assistant. For effortlessly clean floors. Loosens, lifts, suctions. The 3-stage cleaning system dual multi-surface brushes grab dirt from carpet's hard floors. An edge-sweeping brush takes care of corners' edges. Learns your life listens to your voice. Learns your cleaning habits to offer up personalized schedules, while Google Assistant Alexa allow you to start cleaning with just the sound of your voice. One-pack dual-mode virtual wall barrier gives you greater control over where your robot cleans. Virtual wall mode keeps your robot in the rooms you want cleaned and out of the ones you don't. Halo mode keeps your robot away from items you want to protect, like your pet's food and water bowls. Top reviews from the United States. Pleasantly surprised. So I bought this figuring I would either love it or return it. Was it actually going to work? Well, after trying it out a couple times on our ground floor, I found it was very good at cleaning our bare floors and a couple area carpets. The big test was actually the kitty litter room down the hall, which it did eventually wander into and did a very good job cleaning up the kicked out litter. So I am impressed and will be keeping it. Even without the advanced mapping features of newer Roombas, this model will cover the area within the expected 90-minute period. It also does not destroy cords. If you are wondering, it ran over an extension cord and a couple other cords and was able to untangle itself.